Hi, my name is Maggie, and I wanted to make an intake appointment to be seen. As a backstory, my husband was diagnosed with a cognitive disorder affecting memory, motor skills, speech, etc. I know you probably want to know more about what I need or what I'm looking for, but where do I even start? Not only do I not know who my husband is anymore, I don't even know who I am anymore. Everything has changed. Currently, he can't even really speak for himself, and I have to do literally everything. It's not that I don't want to. It's not that I don't love him. It's just hard because I'm losing myself in the process of losing him. But I'm his wife, right? I'm supposed to help him. I just figured it would feel effortless because we love each other. Or do we? How do I know he loves me when he can't even remember who I am? I asked myself what the worth was in waking up 4 days out of this week. It's only Friday. I had one good day. And guess what? It was because he had to have a procedure done to help, quote unquote, relieve symptoms and improve quality of life. And I didn't have to be around him for 3 hours. What a quality life skill. I can see that he doesn't even want to be here. How am I supposed to convince him that his life is worth living when I can barely get out of bed in the morning? I need direction, relief, or maybe I don't even really know what I need. Maybe what I need is him, my husband, my lover, protector, and healer is gone. And I have to take all the pain on my shoulders because he can't help any of what has happened to him. They said love wasn't selfish. But maybe it's ruthless. My friend told me that when her mom died, she got a lot of relief from her treatment. I figured I should try as a last-ditch effort. I don't want him to be away from me. I don't want to let him go. But he isn't himself anymore. I just don't know what to do or who to be. So, if I could please have an appointment or something where I can provide more information and find out more about what I'm supposed to do or what I should do, I would really appreciate the help. Thank you. You can call me back at 907-917-6446. I'm available all day, so you can feel free to call whenever feels appropriate. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful day.